Looks like our intel was good.
I love this guy. Now pat me dry.
As you wish.
Don't forget Master Pabu.
Wouldn't dream of it, sir.
All right, scratch that. Any other ideas? Please! That was amazing! I didn't think we'd make it.
Well, you can't be afraid to mix it up sometimes.
I gotta admit, I had you pegged wrong. I thought you were kind of prissy. No offense.
Everything will be all right. We just need to get out of here. Naga! Over here!
What's the big idea?